See how this goes. Different mic placement, different mic, dead cats. This is just a little test.
Bitch.
Here we go. We out. Hopefully it ain't a cold one today. Riding just isn't as enjoyable when it's cold, I'll tell you that. There's a highway patrol back there. It's kind of hard to see in these rear view mirrors because they shake a lot. So I ain't trying to gun it right now, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to get pulled over. Going on a little ride with my dad, my uncles, and my uncle's wife. Should be a nice one, supposed to be a pretty nice day. See what we get into. Hopefully you guys can hear me well. I already got the hang of this bike, man. You know what I'm saying? This is only like my third time riding it, I believe. I rode bikes in the past. Well, I rode a bike in the past, a Honda CBR F4i. This was my first time riding a Harley, so I already got the hang of it, man. I'm a natural when it comes to this stuff. My dad already did a lot of stuff to his bike, man. I wish I could have got some content on it, but I can still show you guys what he did. I don't know if you guys could notice the sissy bar. Pretty fancy looking sissy bar. You see it comes to the point at the top, and then he put the sound system in it. That thing sounds pretty crazy. What else did he do? I think he has the bars on it now. Yeah, I can see the bars. You guys probably can't see that from here. He put the seat on it. He put the airbags on it. Yeah, man, he's done a lot of stuff already, but we'll get some content on it. Let me know what you guys want to see though, man. Give me some ideas, some moto vlog ideas, some motorcycle content ideas. Just let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll do what I can to get it done, you know? By the beach. Yeah, everybody out here getting their workout on. Pismo Beach, Avila Beach, Shell Beach. It's around the area right here in California. Very beautiful, very beautiful. I think we're gonna stop right now, have some breakfast, and then head out to the next spot. Damn, man, my eye and my cheek itch. God damn it. That's what sucks about wearing a full face helmet. You can't scratch your itches. What up, Joe?
I still have to practice on those little truck turns, bro.
Well, I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right. We on our own now for a quick second. They're gonna get some breakfast, and while they do that, I am gonna go get some breakfast of my own. I eat a little different. Those of you that have been following the channel a while know that. But now that we are on our own, see what we can do a little, you know? yeah, this thing gets up. Look at this guy. Alrighty, let's go up in here, get a little something real quick, and then we will be right back.
20 minutes later.
I just checked out the audio. It sounds good. There's still a little bit of wind when we get up in the speeds and all that. I'm gonna get a better helmet pretty soon, so that should be fixed. Look at this car. Nice. I like it. I'm good.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright, man.
You're out of here?
Have fun. Yeah, I gotta get back.
All right, Joe. Ride safe.
I'm gonna go back here and get off. We're gonna get on the freeway. I'm gonna take Los Osos. I'm gonna take Los Osos to Morro Bay, and then I'm gonna cut in by the park, and then we'll stop it in Morro Bay.
Okay, let me change my battery real quick on my GoPro. Little guy don't like bikes, huh? I don't know how people like those type of dogs. I mean, there's stuff that's for everybody, I guess, but I like pit bulls, you know? I love pit bulls. I think they're the most loving dogs. You know, you just got to be the right type of owner. You got to know how to raise them correctly. Just like with anything, you know, humans work the same, but if you're a good person and you know how to actually raise a dog, pit bulls are the most loving, caring, best dogs there is, in my opinion. But yeah, man, I'm a big dog type of person. I like cane corsos and pit bulls and stuff. The Ferrari? So this is the bag system right there.
Watch, I'll show you.
Oh dang, goes down a lot, huh? What bag did you get?
Dirty air.
Dirty air?
Dirty air, fast.
You said you're gonna redo it though?
Yeah, I'm gonna redo it. I'm gonna. This is just temporary because I'm gonna order these for both sides, and this switch is gonna be over here, and this one's gonna be underneath, so you can't see it.
Time to head out. Beautiful day for a ride. The C8. Okay, nice. I think another part of the reason why everybody's looking at us is my dad's over here bumping his music all loud. My uncle's over here bumping his music all loud. My dad been playing that Snoop Dogg. My uncle likes Rick James. the cultural differences over here are real, you know. I'm sure some of the people over here can appreciate some Snoop, but most of them might rather hear some Led Zeppelin or some good old Elton John or something like that, you know. And don't get me wrong, I mean, I like all types of music, but some people ain't as widely spread when it comes to the music that they like. Look at this lady. She likes it. Yeah, that's my type of woman right there. Yeah, nice ride today. I don't know when the GoPro will die. I'm pretty much just gonna keep it on until it dies. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the ride. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. It helps out tremendously. I appreciate it greatly. Let me know what you guys want to see on these moto vlogs. Can't wait till I get mine. For now, I'll ride my dad's whenever they invite me.
Several days later.
What type of bike that was. That was the first time I ever raced a motorcycle.
Hey, that thing's fucking fast.
It does all right.
This is a 1000 and you just walked on me.
That's a 1000?
Yeah, it's a 1000. Like, I mean, I missed second to third. Like, I over revved it, but still, I was like, fuck, you walking, dude. What's all done to that thing?
It's just, all I have is a cold air intake.
Really?
Yeah, I was expecting you to smoke me, bro.
Yeah, I know. Like, I mean, this thing, it takes forever to get up, but once it gets up going, then I'm making power. Like, it makes all its power from 2 grand to 6 grand.
Yeah, yeah.
So, but hey, that was good looking.
That was good shit, brother. Hey, be safe out there. Quick little motorcycle versus Scat pack. I don't know what type of motorcycle that was. He said it's a 1000, but yeah, he just pulled up on me. He said on 3. So hold on, let me get the camera out, man. So we went from like a 70. I was expecting him to like smoke me, I ain't gonna lie. But you know, hey, Scat 1-0 versus the motorcycle.